represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
You don't know Media Fox in a year, man. You don't know Media Fox. Come for talk. But RYHNO, you understand? Because Jaja, imagine for 13 years, man, them blackball RYHNO to rotted. Going to 2025, Jano, RYHNO for come bow back. Me I tell you, some of them artists here, them no militant. You see me? And the man them feel like say after 13 years, yeah, things are go fresh back and everything. And that's how this thing work. You understand? Because you left a camp, forward back. Zine, we supposed to do and put in the work and thing. You see me? You are wait till when a man forward up.
I need you to
a man destroy your career and thing. If you start drop music and you never that drop no music, you should have not drop some music all over the years and every little thing. You see me? Push your movement, but I don't really know what really are going on. You see me? Because at the end of the day, drop music. One must get it, but Jano, the energy that you have for when cartel forward, when you should have put that same energy there in your music all over the years. So you miss out of the game for years and thing and then come back. About, you see me? Man them weak. You see me? Man them weak. You see it? Fall in the trap. Get used and abused. You see it? Yeah, man. That me I try to show you. Cause when they're in the music business and it's like when I work off a strength and them like a thing there. When you don't know if you really do things by yourself. You see me? Yeah, man. But people look on the video.
Kartel.
Yeah, one kartel, one father.
One RYHNO.
Yeah.
Def, you RYHNO yet? You RYHNO?
One KDK.
Oh, you mean. One B.
But if you realize, them man, you know, when you see him there on the man, and you can see, say, yo, the man just look like one of them little kids, they were lost, like, you see me? Like, him don't know, like, him can't believe after what all happened, him there, so, you understand? Like, me see her one night time, man forward out and him a chew all things by heart, is a talk about, yo, real king forward and re. As him ears the cartel for forward out, the man start move like some girl. You see me, people? When him supposed to put out some music, me I tell you say man silent for about 12 years, you know, as cartel near for come out, the man get heavy, man start talk up, man start to be one bag of something for the media. And I say, bro, you should have them effort in your work, brother. You understand? In your work. You see me? But more you look on the video, people, and see what me I talk about.
Call artists them ready to crown himself king of dancehall. Bumbo clout to get up from the title there. I just start alone come from Ras. I just start alone come from Ink on Instagram for us. Yeah, dog. Cause see real Ras clout man come back, you know, a real king come back. But just want to know if the man they made that say them are the new king of dancehall if you get up half on the title there. Cause what they are be man I show a be style off for me in a rascal song, you know. Be because some be man message some man I show oh artist broke artist this oh but that's why we even get up off on the title take that cause the real king back in town. Fuck cow no. Fuck cow.
So the man did yip talk about one bag of thing and nah make no sense, brother. Why as dancehall artists, why you can't just deal with a thing by yourself? Rather than piggyback for energy and look strength and them look something. When them the strength they gone, you know, you not gonna have back for yourself. You see me? Cause the moment you depend on social media, you should have put in the work. You understand? Put in the work. The man them should be out of Gaza. Zine? Should be out of Gaza. Cause you say you not get take no beating. You should have at them time you should have shoot about music, it no matter. Cause at the end of the day, one DJ or a few must play a song. We know how the business is already and it corrupt and thing. You maybe not get 2 bookings cause certain man you don't know gatekeeping, certain man not go and get no booking them and style I think you this guys a boss. You see it? But you should have shoot about music and music, try to do something. You see me? 2 weeks. And when a man forward out from prison now, you try to get strength and Ray and link up and all of them look something there. When I make no sense. You see me? Guys like a man go prison and they are prison. it's like you can't do nothing for yourself. You stay silent, you come like say you they are prison too. You understand? And then now, when man found out now, it's like the working process turn on now. You see it? You never push out there, you do a couple interviews and Ray and you say, yo,
I need you,
you know what you do and all of them something there. We know how that go. But at the end of the day, you should have put in the effort in your music, them go and do some songs. But you prefer just give up. Maybe I decided that wait for you, that wait till Cartel come out so you could have just go back and see him. You see me car? People, when Cartel call him man on the stage, you know. Zane, and you see people them, the man say you put things behind difference and one bag of Ray and this, that. That still can't help you, brother. Me I tell you, you no career left right now. Me I tell you, no career left, brother. But I feel like say, he might go forward out after 13 years now and tell the people them say, yo, and my son see me, I will put difference apart. Feel like say, then still I go get that blind. Them not get, brother. Them still not trust you, not get no support, brother. You see me? Anything left in Gaza get crushed, you know. You see me? The only way for successful in Gaza, you have to sell out. Like what they say, Papi do. You understand? But once you left in Gaza, hit that fake, you not get no support. You get black band, nobody not got two meds and them look at it. They saw them think they good go on. You see it? Soul driven and soul taken away. You see me? Yeah, man. Cause link up and all of them look at something there. You see me? I see how one time, man, this DJ brother attack. Watch a video.
Get up on Cartel show, when him far with a rascal America. You feel like him not touch the stage? Yeah. You feel like the bad pick me not touch the stage?
Yo, what up? Big up father,
Yeah.
Family have a few, but them big.
Listen, we not talk about that I pass. God is the greatest. Big up Cartel. Him a far with America.
I'm here for your treatment general. Come on, see your fuck.
Brother, we're outside, you know what done.
Zane, you and the man of your tell us, yo, brother, put that aside, I want to you. But father road and every little thing and Ray. This man did that about, yo, put difference aside and daddy and Ray. Man say, yo, brother, cut out that man. Them man here come like, start move like some girl. You understand? Girl when it comes to Cartel. You see me? Rather than them put them energy and put in the work. Them prefer, yo, Ray. Like the man them want ball over man them rejoice, yo, daddy forward and run back Ray. And that's why enough of them dancehall artists don't have no longevity in the game because them depend on certain man too much. Them depend on certain strength. You understand? When them supposed to put them strength in themselves, them a wait for a man for forward for try get something on Ray and Gaza and this and that, brother. After you get blackballed for much years. You see me? Things happen to you. Your home get crushed, everything. After so much years when they supposed to put in the work, you better you did do what Papi do. You understand? Papi, Vice Cartel got prison. Papi got sign. You understand? Better film thing and successful world pilot. You just come as you left Gaza. You just got a job bluff. Nothing. And you're a good artist. Nothing happen. Popcorn do him thing. Worldwide, every little thing. Dominate, getting fans and everything. You know, you come like say you want a nipple buckle. You just left and don't achieve nothing. You just can't go out and every little thing.
I need you,
at least Papi, they all do what they say sell out, but he sell out for goodness because he make him life better, make him career better and build him thing and every little thing. But you no build nothing, brother. You understand? You no build nothing. After 13 years you come end up to come a ball and a bow down to a man. See a man crush your thing, crush your career. You understand? You come a ball too. When you should not do what Papi do. You understand? Because I see him come from the same camp. You understand? Yeah. See him like what Ja Vinci do. Cartel go prison, Ja Vinci left with not nice. Ja Vinci are doing thing. You understand? Him get couple song and Ray, build him thing and Ray. You just did it like that wait for Cartel to come a road for start back something. You understand? Because you never put in the work. You go ghost out. You understand? Then now I fall on stage and I link up with man. I say, yo, link up a Ray. Yo, my daddy this, Ray. Please help me. Please help me, daddy. I saw the more bro in a week. We're not ready for the game. You understand? We're not ready for dancehall because we not work off a man's strength. A man have to tell them say, a man have to say, yo, do this. Ray. For no man up on them something. You understand the thing work, brother? You understand? I understand the thing work. The two man them, Ja Vinci and Popcorn, the man them left. And the man them a do them thing. Things are work out, not nice. Things are work out. You see it? But you was when I good DJ them, go to the camp. Me no know you. It's like you go sit down for your career. I wait for Cartel to come a road. Can I see as a link up with the man, you drop all song and I say, yo, brother, it's too late. You understand? It's too late right now, car. Too late, brother. Gone already, dog. You missing out that game. You know how much years, 10, 13 years, you know where you fall that, brother. I tell you that. No matter if cartel go on your knees and beg Gaza fans if you accept it, you still not going nowhere, brother. I tell you that. For you left Gaza, you should have put in the work. Promote your thing them. All for foreign there, you promote your thing. You understand? It no matter. No focus on the past. You and cartel have a difference and every little thing. You have to just put out your music. See him like Popcorn and cartel, they have difference, but him still focus on him goal and focus on the music and everything. You understand? But you know, come like I say, I eat this and I wait till the man for the road and me and him make up back. And me just start. Gone already, brother. You understand? Cause you just dip on the social media, chat and one bag of ray. Brother, that not going on, brother. You understand? This is dancehall. You see it? It's not a play around thing. You see me? Cause this a man they run cartel like some little baby. And you man say, oh, my father there and my father this. You understand? Brother, you need to man up in the game. You weak. Too much bowing. Too much going on knees. Them things that can't go career, brother. You need to be a leader. You understand? Be a leader. You can't just dead there and not put in the work. You not wait for the man for going to strength and all them little thing there. You're a bad artist. Right now, bad artist, you know, people. But it's like the man just give up on him thing. You see me? You don't know what? Me look at him as I say, man, wait for cartel before the road. You see it? Before the road, so I just say things said people. Right now, should not depend on some level. You see it? You should a bad artist, you should not depend on some level people. You see me, I do him thing and all sort of them something. You can't just dead there and I do your thing and it just not work out. You see it? Yeah, man. But we are going to see what going on, people. You see me, because it just not going to work out. You see it? I tell you people, the money in the game. Weak in the dancehall, people. You see me? Because I tell you, when I tell you about the father road, you know, I tell you, man, lash out every little thing, you know. I say, yo, what to know, brother? No man should not lash out with music and every little thing. It's like, yo, you know them girl where them know them man in a prison, them know them man a father road, like, man, yo, I say, man get Gigi and man I get, yo. I say, yo, brother, when a man in a dog, especially you shouldn't even go on, so brother. Cause look what happened to you. You understand? You the man that go on, people like say, yo, it's like him career left him and they are prison, and then him career come out and now for free.
I need you subscribe.
You see me? No you do can make your thing forward back your career, cause you done gone bad already. You see me? I mean, no Gaza fans not game, no. We go forward and all of them go something there. But them just not really try this or anything, cause then say boss and everything link up with you, see me? Yeah, man. Now go work, people. You see it? Cause you know look good at all. Things that the man would have put out in music and all of them look something, but it don't work out. I tell people, them artists and dancehall them need to man up them thing. Too much dancehall artists are use strength and all of them look something. Too much strength. And when they dominate themselves, them can't do it. You understand? When them feel dominate themselves and put in the work and all of them something, true them love depend on man's strength and man. Like an algorithm and all of them look something. Them can't have nothing for themselves, people. You understand? Yeah, man. But right now, but I know you go do, brother, cause I eat this for you now. You see me? Eat this for you. You don't really have nothing right now. You see it? Cartel can't save you at all. Can't save a career, brother. You can't tell them, say, yo, now watch the difference and everything, but I just eat that for you, brother. You see me? Yeah, man. Missing much years out of the game, it just not gonna work, fam. You see me? And I just one of them thing there. But people, when I don't know, you know, I don't know media facts, you know. Yeah, man. Like, share, and support the thing. You see it? Yeah, man. That is it.